Cookie. You can't figure it out? You can't figure it out, Cookie? Hi folks, Doug here. Ellis Car Customs, where it's another sunny day. Not too many sunny days left. Pretty soon we'll be closing up our doors and firing up our heater. But till then we're gonna keep the doors open and enjoy it while it lasts. Thanks for coming back to the show. If you're returning, thanks for checking me out if you're new and you haven't clicked off me yet. In this episode we're gonna continue with our splash pan repair, getting it closer so that we can pull it back off there and weld it up right. I got my welding gas this morning, so I should be good to go on welding now. So we're going to get to work, and hopefully you'll stick around and enjoy the show. Thanks for coming. Apparently my grill doubles as a cat cage. Cookie seems to like it. Well, it appears fall has fallen at the Ellis car custom shop. I don't know if your trees still have leaves, but mine are rapidly becoming ground stuff. Right, Cookie? Well, we almost got one side put back together. Like I said, I had to put more metal in there because that was pretty porous and ugly. But I've tried it in there a couple of times, and so far so good. You can see on this side how I haven't cut this bit out yet like I did over here. Like I was saying, I weld beyond it and then cut the crappy bits out and build it like I'm building there. You know something I noticed? Quality control from the factory is this center brace. There's like a relief here that's that wide, and this center brace is off center of it. Seems like that would have been centered between those two lines, and it's not that it's moved over the years or been shifted or dented or something like that, because it's like a factory rivet. So that's 50s quality control for you. They just flew that sucker in there and bang, you know. So that sort of affects the centering of it, but we're sort of custom building it, so it won't affect us too much. Well, that's what we got for today, folks. I must have got a lot of work done because I ran the battery out on my cameras pretty much. I'm hoping I got just enough battery on this one to finish saying my goodbyes. Thanks for all the likes and comments. I'm desperately behind on the comments, but I promise I'll catch up. Thanks for all the gifts and support and subscriptions and everything that makes the little channel go. Weren't for you guys, I probably wouldn't film this if there was no interest. But in the beginning, when I decided to do this project, I was like, nobody has ever done it, because I searched the internet high and low to try to find where somebody had done such a thing so I could cheat off them a little bit, but I couldn't find anything. So if nothing else, this will be out there for forever. As far as if anybody ever wants to try this again, they could see at least how I did it and maybe do it their own way, but sort of have a roadmap for doing it. But thanks for stopping by the garage, and I hope you come back next time. Till then, take care of yourselves.